Why'd you get loose?
Once again, shout out to AP.
Is that where he gets his water?
Yeah. Is my little bag of change in here? Do you guys see it? Or do you see it back there? Or it might be in the backpack. Got some shit to carry up. Water.
Oh, the water too.
Jerrick's gonna make breakfast.
Jerrick's to make breakfast.
So what's going on now?
Well, Jerrick's making breakfast for us. And Jerrickson's gonna make dinner for us. And I'm gonna pour me a bowl of cereal. Frosted Flakes. If you don't mess with the Frosted Flakes. So delicious.
Oh, you can just smell
Sweet.
it.
Cheers.
Who's the one that picked that too? Oh, you picked it.
Stop snipping it. Stop snorting it. And eat it with some fucking, what's wrong? Eat it with some fucking Kool-Aid.
And go.
We have a yard service. We have a yard service request today to trim some trees, so we're gonna go and do that.
We're gonna fuck it up.
We're gonna kill it.
I mean, we're gonna kill it.
We're gonna fuck it up.
And we're gonna fuck it up afterwards.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Yeah, we're gonna get this money. Let's go. Can't forget my hat. It's gonna be hot.
219-842.
219-842. Shit. Put it right here.
That's fine, it keeps it cool.
Oh, what is this? Gospel music. What the hell? What the hell?
I think that lady did it for us. She must have had a button or something.
Into the driveway? Right? Oh yeah. Do what you do. Right here. Because he said that it broke off, so I think it's this one right here.
They're both damaged, so they're both gonna die eventually. You gotta chop it from that end right there.
I think we gotta go further down.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's cracked right here.
I gotta get some of those off on that side too, for the neighbors.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah. You live right here?
Yeah.
Courtesy of your dad?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we took care of I guess your grandma's house over there. Yeah. He's not here right now? He's not here right now?
I mean, his car's not here.
Oh well, got a garage, so I thought you parked
Yeah,
inside.
no, that car is. Is there anyone that we're ready to knock? You guys need some.
Okay, thank you. So we'll do some of these guys. Probably take off some of those. This one's dead, so we'll take some that are going that way too. All right. Welcome. Trash over there. Yo, the freaking the sharpener's not in here.
Not in there?
Oh,
Should have been.
I could try it out. Cause look, that's the broken part. So you can trim it down and then just toss it
just
out.
toss it, yeah.
Like on their last. Just leave it like that. Just kidding.
No?
It's not even sharp.
No?
Nope.
Damn.
See this one right here.
Should have been in there. Derek's the one who put away everything while I was talking to the lady. I don't know if he might have not seen it or he dropped it or something.
I'll just I'll just put the old one on.
The one you modified.
Yep. Oh shit.
Sorry, I didn't mean to tell him.
I probably gotta grab that piece. This chain was newer, but I'm gonna use the older chain because the older chain's kind of decent. A little more sharp teeth in this one.
I got ice in my vein, blood in my eyes, nights full of pain.
No gas? Oh,
Where's the other
here's
gas
something I
tank?
haven't we lost it.
Did we?
Yep.
When?
Monday. I honestly don't know which house we left it at, but I know we left it at one of the houses.
Did they want to get up all these little branches right here too?
Yeah. Jared, can you pass me the thingy?
Push it down a little.
Yeah. Got a scratch right here?
No.
It poked me in the eye.
Yeah. Make a wish.
So that's that. We just finished the job. We got the call about an hour ago. We drove over and we just completely knocked it out. We're gonna do a little walkthrough. This whole area was, this whole branch down, broken, completely disgusting. We removed all the garbage, and then we also removed all the dead leaves, all the debris. Cleaned it up, and then courtesy of for the neighbor, we removed all of these branches that were hanging over, and then also on this side too. So we kind of trimmed it this way, and then trimmed the inside here. And I think the customer will be super satisfied. We did a good job boys.